Okay, we're gonna put our Rockslides guard, and what you need to do is first open those guys. You have to be very gentle because they are torquey as hell. So before you start with the big electric drill, just open them first by hand. You have 3 on each side that you have to open, like 3 sets of 2 that you're gonna have to remove. And you better do that with a tool after. And you just remove those nuts and you're going to be ready to install. Okay, you do this for the 3. Okay, the position of the vehicle, one will be here, one will be here, and another one going to be on the back. I'm going to open them and we're just going to show you real quick how to install the guard. Okay, so there is our Rockslide guard. We're going to put it on right now, and what I did is just put it on the floor. You know, this is one of those yoga mats. It's actually great for guys that work to lay on your back when you're under the car. You don't need to do gay yoga on it. Just use it for putting whatever you need on the ground without scratching it. Let's install this thing. Okay, needless to say, this took about 5 minutes to install. There is only 6 bolts holding it from underneath. I was just using the drill and that's it. It's done. It's installed, making the vehicle look so much nicer. Still need to get rid of those ugly wheels.